Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to count the fuel consuming and we will use the Google Spreadsheet. How to do that? So without any further ado and let's get into the tutorial. Here I have prepared several data that contains the dates and also the distance, the fuel consuming in liter, the price, the average, and also the total spending per day. And for example, on the 23 August, I have reached my trip until 15 miles. And if you would like to convert it or modify it into the kilometer, then you can just put it down here. And after that, I have by that distance or by that trip, I have also spent the fuel until 5 liter on that date. And also the price per liter of this gasoline or this fuel is amount $10 per liter. And I will start to count the average of my fuel consuming. The first step is I will type the equal and after that I will click this cell of B5 that contains the distance that I have reached with my vehicle on that date and I will give it a slash and select the cell of C5 that contains the fuel consuming on that date and give it the enter and you can allow this to do the autofill. So as you can see, these are the averages of the fuel consuming for the each day. And I would like to also count the total spending per day. For example, I will start from this 23 August. I will tap the equal again and I will click this price on the cell of D5. Well, basically the price is still the same until the last of the date and give it the asterisk and I will click this cell of C5 about the fuel consuming in that date and give it the enter and give it the autofill. So as you can see that on the 23 August I have spent $50 to buy the fuel and also the fuel consuming of my vehicle and the rest of the day there are the several differences of the fuel consuming. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful and if you have any requests or feedback please don't forget to put it on a comment down below because we would love to share comments there. And if you find this video helpful and if you would like to try it, and also don't forget to give the like and also subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.